Did you explore any new hiking trails? Nature hikes are rejuvenating. Let's plan a hiking adventure. How's your progress on that DIY project? I'm building something special. Let's create more. Did you watch any enlightening documentaries? Documentaries offer valuable knowledge. Let's watch and learn. How's your relationship with your pets? Pets bring joy and companionship. Let's cherish our furry friends. Did you start a new exercise regimen? Fitness is a lifelong journey. Let's stay motivated and healthy. How's your home improvement project coming along? I'm transforming my space. Let's make our homes even better. Did you find any exciting recipes to try? Cooking is an adventure. Let's experiment in the kitchen. How's your progress in learning a musical instrument? Music is a beautiful skill. Let's play some melodies together. Did you attend any cultural events recently? Cultural experiences are enlightening. Let's appreciate diverse cultures. How's your progress in your online course? Lifelong learning is rewarding. Let's acquire new knowledge together. Did you explore any new art forms lately? Art is a wonderful form of expression. Let's create and appreciate art. How's your relationship with your coworkers? Positive workplace relationships are vital. Let's collaborate effectively. Did you watch any thought-provoking films recently? Movies offer different perspectives. Let's discuss what we've seen. How's your fitness journey going? I'm staying dedicated. Let's achieve our fitness goals. Did you discover any great podcasts? Podcasts offer valuable insights. Let's share our favorite episodes. How's your financial management going? I'm saving and investing wisely. Let's plan for financial success. Did you learn something new today? Continuous learning is essential. Let's keep growing together.